Hey, another question that I usually get is how much money do I need to start investing? I wish I knew when I was getting started that you can actually practice investing in the stock market without risking your own money. It's called paper trading. I recommend paper trading while finding a process that works for you. Fortunately for me, I like doing both fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Most people get scared just to calculate numbers, but really it's simple math that you need. And in our generation, there's so many tools out there where you don't even have to do any calculation. So to answer the question of how much money I need to start investing, it's just enough to either pay for books that you need to read, or you can pay someone to help you learn how to invest on your own with confidence. Once you get to know the stock market, then you will know exactly how much you will need to start investing your real money. For example, if the stock that you love or the company that you love, if the share price is $10 per share, then you would at least need $10 to purchase one share of the stock. But if you're using options to start investing and your stock price is $10, then you would at least need $1,000 to purchase 100 shares of that stock. If you want a summary of what I've learned, head over to my website and schedule a one-on-one appointment with me, and I'll be happy to share my knowledge with you. Well, I hope to talk to you soon.